Okay, solving numerical number 18. Calculate average molecular kinetic energy per kilomole per kg per molecule of which gas? Oxygen gas, which is at temperature 127 degrees Celsius. So we have temperature with us, that is 127 degrees Celsius. If I want to convert it into Kelvin, it will be 127 plus 273, which gives me 400 Kelvin. Next, that given that the molecular weight of oxygen is 32. Molecular weight means I have molar mass, that is 32 gram, and we have universal gas constant. The value of universal gas constant is given to us 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, and Avogadro's number, that is Na, which is 6.02 into 10 raised to 3 molecules per mole into 10 raised to 23 molecules per mole. Okay, now what all things are asked? First, it is kinetic energy, average molecular kinetic energy per kilomole. So it is kinetic energy per kilomole. Okay, now we have formulas. If it is kinetic energy per molecule, that is 3/2 kBT. What is R? R is Na into kb. Here we have kb, so if keep the kb on right hand side, then it will be R upon Na. Substitute the value of kb at place of kb, that is R upon Na. If you substitute that value in this equation, it becomes 3/2 R upon Na into T. So kinetic energy per molecule is given by this equation and also by this equation. So we have two equations. Then kinetic energy per mole is given by 3/2 R into T. Kinetic energy of the gas, kinetic energy per mass, any mass of the gas, that is gram, kilogram, is equal to 3/2 RT upon m naught. M naught is molar mass of the gas. So here we want kinetic energy per kilomole, means this one, that is, this is for mole, I want it for kilomole. So see how I will do the conversion. 3/2 R, what is R? 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. I want to convert it into kilomole. How will I convert? See, 1 kilomole is equal to 10 raised to 3 mole. So 1 mole, take this 10 raised to 3 over here, so it will be 1 upon 10 raised to 3 kilomole. So 1 mole is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 3 kilomole. Here what I have? Here I have mole in the denominator. See, mole is in denominator. So if I want to convert this mole into kilomole, what I will do? If I want to convert mole into kilomole, I will divide it by 10 raised to 3. Means I will do your division. I will divide this 10 raised to 3 kilomole per Kelvin and here joule. So understood, at this place of mole, I am writing 1 upon 10 raised to 3 kilomole. Now this mole is converted into kilomole. So I have done the substitution for R. Now the temperature. What is the temperature given to us? It is 400 Kelvin. So here we have 400 Kelvin. So this Kelvin and this Kelvin gets cancelled. Now what is with us? 3/2 into 8.31, 1 upon 10 raised to 3 joule per kilomole. See, kinetic energy has unit joule, kilomole. Here we have kilomole. Now it is 3/2 into 8.31. This 10 raised to 3. If I want to take this term into numerator, it will flip. So we have 10 raised to 3 over here. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 1 remains, and due to 0 that becomes 10, 2 fives are 10. Now I will be multiplying that with 3, 3 fives are 15, again 3 fives are 15 plus 1, 16, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 fours are 12 into 10 raised to 3 joule per kilomole. Okay, now here it will be joule. Why is this joule? Because what we are finding average molecular kinetic energy per kilomole. So we have converted, here we have per kilomole. In the denominator we have kilomole over here, and we have denominator kilomole. So this kilomole and this kilomole will get cancelled. This kilomole in the denominator, see, I'll explain it over here. This kilomole in the denominator and this kilomole in the denominator gets cancelled. So what remains? Kinetic energy, and the unit is joules. Okay, hope you understood. This was the first part which is being calculated. Now it is next kinetic energy per kilogram. The mass is given to us here. For mass, kinetic energy, some mass. So this is the formula. That is 3 upon 2 RT upon M naught. So second one is kinetic energy and some mass, and thus mass is nothing but in gram. And the formula is 3 upon 2 RT upon M naught. So let's do, I want it in kilogram, okay, but it is originally in gram. I want to convert it into kilogram, means the what is asked, it is asked in kilogram. So let it be kilogram. So right hand side also I'll have to convert it into kilogram. So 3 upon 2 R, that is 8.31, R is same, right? 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. Then I have temperature, temperature is 400 upon mass, that is 32 gram. Mass is 32 gram. I want to convert this into kilogram. So 1 kg is equal to 10 raised to 3 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 3 kilogram. So at place of this gram, what I'll do? 3 upon 2 into 8.31 into 400 upon 32. At place of this gram, I'll write 1 upon 10 raised to 3 kilogram. Hope you understood it now. It is 3 upon 2 into 8.31 into 400 upon 32, and this 10 raised to 3 goes in the numerator. And this kilogram and this kilogram gets cancelled. Unit of kinetic energy is joule. So let's do the calculation now. 2 ones are, and 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 0. Then 3 twos are 6. So it is 6 into 8.31 into 10 raised to 3 upon 32. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. Okay, so I can do this. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. I can multiply this. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24 into 10 raised to 3 upon 16. I can go for log in this, or you can also do the division by taking 16 ka table. If you know the table of 16, you can go with that. .93 and 16. 16 twos are 32, so 16 ones are 16. Here 14 minus 6 will give you 8. 9 comes in the denominator, and here I put point. So now 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3, 48, and 16 fours are 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 464, then 16 fives are 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 580, so that would be the nearest one. So 16 fives are 80, what remains 9, and this we take this 3 over here, it becomes 93. So 16 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6 7 8 9, it is 96. We cannot take, so 16 fives are again 80. So we get let's stop over here, we have 2 digits after point, so it is 1.55 into 10 raised to 3. If you want, you can calculate it further, and it is in joules. Okay, acha. Now one more thing where I have made a mistake. What about these 2 zeros? I have directly taken 3 2s are 6. I forgot this 2 zeros. So this 3, 4 and 5. So this will become 5. This became 5. So here we have the answer, that is 1.55. If you want, you can take the third digit over here, or you can also stop over here. That is 1.55 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Hope you understood this. Then the third one. Third one is kinetic energy per molecule. So per molecule it is 3/2 kBT, or you can also take 3/2 R upon Na into T. I'll go with this formula because I have the value of R with me, I have the value of Na with me, and T. So I'll directly do the substitution and the calculation. So it is 3 kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3/2 RT upon Na. So it is 3/2. The value of R is 8.31 and T is 400. What is Na? Na is 6.02. 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to 23. Now okay, 2 1s are 2 is 4, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 3 2s are 6 into 8.31 into, here we have 2 zeros, that is 100 upon 6.02, and here we have 10 raised to 23. So if I cancel 2 zeros from here and 2 zeros from here, what remains? 10 raised to 21. So 6 into 8.31. Earlier we have multiplied 6 into 8.31. No, we didn't multiply. Okay, chalo, we'll multiply. 8.31 into 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 8s are 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. And plus 1, 9. 6 8s are 48 plus 1, 49. So 49.86. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 8s are 48 plus 1, 49. 49.86. Even I forget tables. 49.86 upon 6.02, and this 10 raised to 21, it will go in the numerator, becomes 10 raised to minus 21. Now I can apply log over here. Before that I can even do calculations, cancellation. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. So it is 24.93 upon 3.01 into 10 raised to minus 21. It will be anti-log and then log of 24.93 minus log of 3.01 into 10 raised to minus 21. Now anti-log, here we have 2 digits, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 point, we will see the log. Here we have just 1 digit, so 1 minus 1, 0. And we will see the log into 10 raised to minus 21. Let's see the log of 24 का 9 का 3. It is 24 का 9. This is 24 का 9. 24 का 9 and 3. So it is 3962 plus 5, that is 3967. है ना, 5 plus 2 is 7, 3967. So it is 3967. Then 30 का 1. We'll see for 30 का 1, and here it is 30 का 1 is 4786. 4786. Let's do the subtraction. It is 1.3967 minus 0.4786. Subtract 1. This becomes 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. This becomes 0. 13 minus 4 is 9. So it is anti-log of 0.9181 into 10 raised to minus 21. Now we will see anti-log for 91 का 8 and उसका 1. 91 का 8 फिर उसका 1. This is over here. 82 means 8279 plus 2, that is 8281. 8281. After one digit I'll put point and into your 0, so it is 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to minus 21. 10 raised to 0 is 1, so it is 8.281 into 10 raised to minus 21 joules. Here we complete the numerical. Hope you all understood this numerical. Now if you come to the first one, that is kinetic energy per kilomole, in that I forgot taking 400 and explaining this kilomole conversion, mole to kilomole conversion. I forgot to take this 400. If you bring this 400 down, I have to just multiply the answer with 400. So the answer is 12.465 into 4. So that is 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. Here 2. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, and 4 1s are 4. And after point we have 3 digits, so it is 49.86 into 3 and 4 5. So it is 49.86 into 10 raised to 5. 49.86 into 10 raised to 5. I can make it like this. If I want to make it 4.9, I want to shift the point towards left hand side. So now I am shifting the point. If you are shifting, see, this is negative side, right? And this is positive side. If you are shifting the points towards negative side, what will it be doing? 10 raised to, it will be positive, because I am shifting. Because I am not taking any 10 raised to 5 values or anything. I am doing this shifting part. I want to make it as 4.9. So, and that is towards negative side and 1 digit. So 10 raised to plus 1. It will be 4.986 into 10 raised to 5 and this plus 1. So it is 10 raised to 6 joules. Sorry for this, as I told you all, for explaining you all this conversion from mole to kilomole, I forgot to take this 400. Hope you, while doing the sum, you have not forgotten it and taken it and tried to bring the right answer.